The JVC GY-HM100 is the world's first professional handheld camcorder that records at high bandwidth 35 megabits as native QuickTime files. It is able to record this internally on affordable SDHC cards. This is an industry first. The user will be able to remove the card from the camera and insert it into an adapter for any MacBook Pro, and immediately you'll see the card appear on the desktop and actually do a drag and drop right into the timeline of Final Cut Pro. So what this means, you can start editing immediately without having to deal with any conversion, rewrapping or intermediate codecs. The unit is also capable of recording files as MP4. EDIUS, Avid and Premiere Pro users can also enjoy the direct ingest and playback feature. The platform is Longop and its capabilities are 1920 by 1080, 50 frames interlaced, 24 and 25 frames progressive. It's also capable of 1280 by 720 at 24, 25 and 50 frames per second, and also 1440 by 1080 at 50 frames per second. The camera weighs less than 1.4 kilos, so it's a very light and easy camera to hold. Ergonomic design is something that JVC holds very dear and near and is quite well known in the industry for. Footage can either be shot on full auto or manual. There's a full array of manual controls such as focus, shutter, iris, gamma, colouring, all of that you can control on your own. And also, a unique attribute of this camera is that you can take the settings of the camera, store them on the SDHC card and transfer them to another camera so all your settings match. The way we calculate the cost of operation, if you will, is that on a 16 gig card, which costs approximately $50 to $70, you are able to record approximately 50 minutes of video at full HD quality. So a rough calculation, it's about $1 a minute, so very affordable. The nice thing about SDHC cards, first and foremost, you have the immediate file access capability, but the other thing is that they're readily available at most retailers around town. You can either use a Class 6 or a Class 10 card. The handle is removable and there is an onboard stereo mic, so it has full operations without the handle. The nice thing about the connections on the handle is that it uses XLR with phantom power, so it has a lot of pro features which we really did design this product to be a professional application product. The unit has two card slots. You'll be able to record on either slot A or slot B. Once slot A is filled, it will automatically convert to slot B to continue recording. At the point when slot B is filled, you'll have to pause the camera, reinsert the cards and go through the cycle again. This will give you approximately 200 minutes of continuous HD recording when using two 32 gig cards. So basically we have a full HD compact handheld camcorder capable of delivering HD results at a fraction of the cost. The JVC GY-HM100.